So I saw a advertisement on Facebook where someone was using a stencil and a pressure washer to advertise their pressure washing business. So I wanted to see if I could do the same with my laser engraver and my logo. So my patio was already kind of dirty. I got a new electric pressure washer, and so I thought, well, I might as well try it out. If it doesn't work, I can easily clean it and it's not going to make a big difference. What I found out was that when I made this into a stencil, because not all the sections were connected, I lined everything up too much and it was easily able to be moved when the pressure washer was hitting it. So it's just out of 3mm basswood, so it flexed underneath the pressure of the pressure washer. I'm going to try it again and change the connection points to hope make the stencil a little more rigid. And as you can see, it kind of worked. Maybe it's a little too small for this project, I'm not sure, but it was kind of cool to try it out and see if I could get it to work. So what I decided to do here was I was just going to do a sample to see if I had made a stencil that was a little more rigid, if it would show up better. And I tried to pick a spot on my patio that was a little bit dirtier so that maybe the logo would stand out better. And so I'm trying to hold the loose pieces in place while I pressure wash and just give it a test run so that I can see if it's even worth my effort in redesigning it. Some of the pieces are still moving and it stood out a little bit better. I think I can make this work with a little bit of redesign. If I had a pressure washing business, I'd definitely be thinking about investing in something like this with my logo. You could pressure wash it onto a street and just leave it there. It's not doing any harm. I mean, you're cleaning the spot, really. And so maybe you'll get some extra work. I think it's worth a shot. Let me know what you think.